Rua de Horta e Sousa, tantos olhos sabe a marcha. As governor of Macau, driven a street name in Taipa village. Oh, 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 in Taipa village. Horta e Costa, oh, 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 Horta e Costa. Walking down Rua de Horta e Sousa in a little Taipa village of Macau. Horta e Costa, oh, oh, oh. Horta e Costa, Horta e Costa, oh, oh, oh. Horta e Costa.
Okay, we're in Taipa village. We're in Horta y Sousa. It's named after, I believe it's a governor. So we're going to kind of meander through this little alley, and we're going to go up there and see what they're watching on the television screen. I think it's national games, but I'm not 100% sure. But we're going to put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are, and then we're going to come back and show you what the street looks like. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Okay, Horta y Sousa. There's this kind of beautiful, I think this is kind of an iconic one since 1965, but I always see people up in the windows, and I think it's kind of on the tourist map. We have a school over there, and then this is going to be our target street, but we're also going to see what they're watching up on the screen up there. In the background you can see Galaxy Casino, so all of those little golden things up there, that's where the Cotai Strip is at, so it's actually quite nearby. And it's a slight raining day today, so you're going to see a lot of people are going to be under here to avoid the rain. And I think a lot of them are also here to watch the games there, so we're going to capture that and see what they're watching. I'm pretty sure it's the national games, which are partially filmed here. You just kind of see, I think it's all the national games. So you can see the dates there, November 9 through 21, and which is within the dates that it is right now. They've been advertising around Macau already. Okay, so let's just kind of take a look around here a little bit. This right here is called Cutie Guy. So we're going to go in, kind of take a look at all the long lines, and then our street is actually a short street, but we're going to walk down it, and then we're going to kind of walk around that area as well, that plaza that we're just at. So this area, Kujiga, is well known for all of the tourists. It's also, I think, kind of like a food street area. So people will come down here and they'll get like this one, beef opal, or this one. This one would be so long, the Lord So's Bakery, that it would go around the corner. I'll show that to you. So it'll go all the way down to down there. Sometimes it'll go all the way down. So it's not as bad today. Okay, let's go back to our target street. Here's another one. So quite a few of these are beef opal, like beef intestines. So that's another one right there as well, beef intestines. Okay. And these long lines are all for beef intestines, or for the and there's a Rua de Horta y Sousa. Let's just go right up here. We'll just take a look. National Games. Crowds of people. All the people kind of watching along here too. Just gonna come across real quick. So I think right there they also have, that's kind of a famous one, this one with a little pig right there. National Games. Let's just kind of walk into this a little bit. What we're going to do next is walk over to where the dragon is at. And there's a giant dragon right over here. There's a dragon head right there. And that dragon head will go all the way around. Let's see. So you can see that going all the way down there. So to kind of follow all that park all the way down. Anyways. Let's go back to our target street. Just gonna come back this way. I'm just gonna follow all the way down so that we actually do walk down our target street of Rua de Horta y Sousa. And it's a very, very short street, but it's marked by this big park where they're watching the national games. You have some famous restaurants like that one with the pig there. Here's something that's looks like also kind of pig parts there too. Kind of cool. And this famous restaurant, SK. Let's see. We're gonna come around here. We're gonna end our video in a moment. Let's have the public bathrooms there. And this one has all kinds of tourist stuff. This is our English one. So this is all the references here. And it says Mercado de Villa de Taipa. Carmel Fair. So kind of where we're at right here has all these references to Macau, Timor, 1886. This street is the one that's right out that way. This is what the village looks like. So anyways, we're gonna come back out this way. We're gonna end our video very, very shortly. And then this is the other street that that I kind of had a reference to. And with that note, we're gonna end our video. Okay, so a little slice of Macau there.